now we are in the parking lot looking for parking. And then we'll be walking into Disney Springs shortly.
Sure, sure.
All right, you're good to go.
All right, thank you. Good night. All right, if you don't wear your mask, you can't get to go in. Plain and simple. Alright, so close. Here we are, Disney Springs. Here you're gonna go get your temperature check. A hat, hair.
Yeah, of course. Perfect.
Good, thank you.
They told me I had to go over to the girl who checked my bag.
Yeah.
Right, here we go.
There you go, guys. This is Disney Springs. So I have my mask on, so if you can't hear me properly. Go get some. You can't get the music in.
I forgot mine. Forgot about that.
They have the COVID guidelines still, so there's a line.
To go in anywhere.
Yep.
It's just a walk. You don't need to go into anywhere. You can see, guys, everyone is wearing a mask. So there goes the balloon. Hey guys, Disney Spring is popping. It's still crowded. So come on down to Florida. This is Florida.
Yeah.
There's the balloon. There goes the balloon, guys. There goes the balloon.
I know. Oh my god, I would be scared.
That would happen
only exception would be when eating or drinking while stationary. Guess that
So Disney Springs is pretty busy, guys. Come on down. Florida's open. Got down the line. Alright guys, we're gonna go up to the Coca-Cola. Alright, we're in the Coca-Cola store here, guys. So this is the Coca-Cola store. On the hats, the t-shirts.
Yeah, we can get them at
I'm gonna take the elevator and go upstairs.
Oh, it's going down.
That was the one.
Go after there, Dad. Where'd you go? The polar bear? You want the polar bear? The polar bear closed. Yeah. You look at this way. This way? Go upstairs?
You gotta walk up, no?
Well, let's just do this. It's pretty cool.
Just walk up. Okay, so you're going up to the next flight. Here we are on top of the Coca-Cola store.
You said 7-Eleven yesterday. Where were we? I didn't remember.
So on top of the Coca-Cola store, guys. More Disney Springs content, guys. That's the Columbia store. Guys, when you live in Florida, you can come down here any afternoon you want. Come for a nice walk. If you live in Orlando, it's anyway about 20 minutes drive to get here, anywhere in Orlando. From Melbourne, it's about hour. You're coming from farther south, Port St. Lucie, maybe 2 hours. A water fountain. I guess that's a dragon over there. So you come up to the Rainforest Cafe. It's going to be spitting fire soon. Alright guys, it doesn't seem like it's spitting fire. I do have a clip that's spitting fire. I'll just drop it in the video. Oh, look at this gator. Look. So that's the boathouse over there, guys. You can go there and get your dinner. So this is the T-Rex restaurant.
Hey guys, so we did a lot of content today. As you guys can see, we are still in Disney Springs. We're gonna have our video up for you, but right now we're signing off. We'll see you guys tomorrow.